Let's take him time. Okay. Chicken. Mmm. Sarap, guys. Mmm. Mmm.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. Sa mga baguhan po dyan sa aking channel, my name is Sam from the Philippines and nandito po ako ngayon sa Canada. And sana po ay i-consider niyo po ako i-subscribe ang aking channel. And also please, don't forget po nga i-like, share, and subscribe my channel po. I truly appreciate it so much. And thank you so much po for watching my vlog for today. For today's vlog, guys, we're going to make chow mein noodles. Are you guys fan of Chinese food? Do you guys crave the delicious flavors of chow mein but dread the thought of leaving your house to get takeout? Well, I got you, my friend. Because I'm gonna show you how to make homemade chow mein noodles from the comfort of your own kitchen. Yes. So guys, please stay tuned for that and let's get started. Mwah! So guys, ito pala ang ating homemade sauce na ating ginawa kanina at ngayon naman ating i-mix together with chicken stock. Ang sauce pala natin ay may cornstarch, sugar, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sesame oil. At ayan na nga, minimix lang natin ang ating mga ingredients. So guys, these are ingredients for our chow mein noodles. So we have here the chicken, which I already seasoned it with salt and black pepper. Broccoli. Meron din po tayong carrots, zucchini, and then spring onions, bell pepper, snow peas, and garlic. We have here salt and black pepper as well. And then we're gonna need also the chicken stock and oil. And of course, ang ating chow mein noodles na ating gagamitin. Then also guys, we have also a homemade sauce for this. So this is our homemade sauce na ating ginawa kanina. So ito po ay may cornstarch, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, and oyster sauce, and then soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So, yan lang po ang ating homemade sauce, guys, for our chow mein noodles. Okay, guys? And also, nakapag-init na tayo ng ating pan kasi i-ano natin to, guys, i-fry natin yung chicken. And also, nakapag-init na tayo ng ang tawag nito ng water dito para naman sa ating chow mein noodles. Okay, alright guys, and I'll see you soon. So guys, ilagay na natin ang ating broccoli. Itong broccoli natin guys ay ini-steam ko muna ito. So ayan, mix lang natin ang ating mga vegetables guys. At this point guys, ilagay naman natin ang ating chicken na piniprito natin kanina. So, ihalo or mix lang natin ang ating mga ingredients guys. So, after guys, ilagay naman natin ang ating Chow Mein Noodles. At ilagay na rin natin ang ating homemade sauce na ating ginawa kanina. So after guys, ihalo natin ng mabuti ang ating mga ingredients. So nakita nyo guys, gumamit ako ng 2 ladle para mahalo talaga siya ng mabuti. At dinahan-dahan ko siyang inihalo guys kasi nakita nyo naman na maliit lang ang ating pan. At ngayon guys, maglagay na tayo ng ating seasoning. So, nilagyan ko ng asin at black pepper. So, sa asin guys, depende na sa inyo kung gaano karami ang inyong ilagay kasi depende naman iyon sa inyong panlasa. At ihalo lang natin ng mabuti guys para ma-distribute naman ng mabuti or evenly ang ating mga seasonings na nilagay sa ating Chow Mein Noodles. At ngayon naman, ilagay natin ang ating spring onions.
Hi guys, so you know the drill. It's tikim time. Kaya naluto na ang ating Chow Mein Noodles. Luto na ang ating Chow Mein Noodles guys. So, let's tikim. And then, kuha tayo ng chicken, broccoli, oops, and then bell pepper. Let's tikim time. Okay. Chicken. Sarap, guys. Mmm. 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 Lamig kay guys. Naunta guys. Pasensya, nakalimutan ko. Let's eat pala, let's eat. Guys. Huwag binuang. Walang halong biro. Masarap talaga. Ang chow mein natin guys, masarap. So guys, hopefully nga, kanang you give a thumbs up. Oh, sorry. Ang ating video ngayon, guys, please like, share, and subscribe my vlog, guys. And also, thank you for watching my video for today, guys. I really appreciate it so much. And dito na lang po nagtatapos ang ating video for today. So you guys, I'll see you next time, guys. Stay hydrated, take care, and later. Babush! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Mwah! I love you all.